All right, boys, so today we're wrapping a door handle. Fuck. Cut. So what's up, guys? I'm Saul here with Oregon Design Co, and I'm gonna wrap this beautiful red handle and make it this nice matte dark gray. This is about the biggest size I need. No need to get crazy with it. To get started, you want to give it a nice isopropyl alcohol wipe down. Make sure there's no like oils or like lubricant left on it. And then I'm going to start with stretching the piece across the handle long ways. And I want to make sure I get a nice little hook on the front here. If I have a nice enough left to right stretch, this should pull back and hug this front corner, so I shouldn't have any puckering right here. And then on the back end, you want to give it a little bit of a wide stretch, a little wide hook around here. And that's going to give you a little bit of vinyl puckering on the edges, but if you have enough of a left to right stretch, that should shrink back and take all this slack with you. Any leftover vinyl you get on the sides or the edges can easily be put down under, and since it scoops under, that excess vinyl will just lay right in. And there we have it. This is a fully wrapped handle for the Toyota BZ4X. I could say I handled the situation.